Hey everyone, I feel it's way overdue for an update on Project Bob and Weave, our Honda Shadow metric bobber that we have been building for our YouTube channel. We've come a long way since the last time I had an episode, and I apologize. We've had so many projects going on at once that it's been very difficult to try to get everything in a step-by-step basis as far as recording goes. So I just want to catch you up to speed as to where we're at with this thing, because it's pretty rad. As you can see, we've come a long way with this bike. It is going back together now. The frame has been blasted and powder coated in a gator hide. Check this out. And this is a Columbia Coatings color. It is pretty rad on our nice new fabricated under seat pan with our blinkers in it. We have stripped down the engine, repainted the engine because that was silver and flaking, as you remember. With a few little hidden gems. It's not done. We just literally set the motor in here yesterday, including our logo on the side cover. We got our Jack Daniels overflow over here as well that we smoked the bottle, and we got to wrap it with some rubber here, and it's going to get an LED light underneath it as well. We've used some wrinkle finish on the triple clamps and a few other little pieces, but as you know, we got the Enchanted Forest green on the tins and the tank, which is over there, which you've seen. We were able to get the rear swing arm on last night as well. My buddy Steve came over. He really helped me knock out some big heavy things on this bike that I'm not able to do by myself really well. We were able to rebush the struts that we got from, I believe these came from Motorcycle J's. We went ahead and put the divots in them and kept the theme going with the Enchanted Forest and powder coated those in the Enchanted Forest and the mini texture black. Again, this is all gator hide powder coat. This is a wrinkle finish. The rear tires got our wide white wall, also in the Enchanted Forest. It is, oh man, it's so awesome. We got our fender absolutely tucked. I mean, the hairs on the tire are rubbing. This has no suspension travel, so we don't have to worry about that. The tire's only gonna get smaller from here. But that is a tight fit, which is exactly what the customer wanted. It is freaking rad. All right, guys, working our way around. We still got to set the rear brakes up. We got all the electrical to do. We see our hidden box for our new battery down there relocated. Actually, today I'm going to be rejetting the carburetor and getting that painted so that can go on there. We got to work the exhaust as far as fitting the exhaust up and decides if he wants it wrapped or unwrapped. It's a stainless exhaust. I'm thinking it should go with the wrap theme. We'll see. See what the customer says as well on it. But that's okay. We're going to put the top triple clamp on. We've got to cut the front fender mounts off from the forks as well. I'll show you. All right, here's a fork that will also get painted, but this would be where the front fender mounts. These are getting shaved off as well because this bike is going to have no front fender on it at all. So super clean look, much like the bobber I did for myself. Very stripped down look. Did have a mishap yesterday with this engine cover. The wrinkle finish paint did not take, so we're in the process of stripping it down and redoing it because that's what you do to make things right, especially on a build of this level.